Hello friends, welcome to our channel D for Dentistry. First of all, thank you so much guys for supporting us. In today's video, we are going to cover the most important topic of second year practical microbiology, that is identification of bacterial culture. Guys, the way in which we are explaining is definitely going to help you. We made this video a little bit longer to cover each and every aspect of this topic needed to excel your Viva examination. I assure you guys, if you were studying like for 1 hour in single sitting, you can watch our videos back to back for hours without getting tired and bored. So without any delay, let's get started. जब बात आइडेंटिफिकेशन की आती है तो सबसे पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि इस टॉपिक पे क्वेश्चंस बनते कैसे हैं. You will be provided with any one media with growth of any bacteria, and then you have to identify which bacterial species is that with the help of its characteristic feature जो आप इस वीडियो में जानेंगे. आपको बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ लिक्विड मीडिया में भी दी जा सकती है. To simplify a little more, हम मीडियम को देखकर प्रोबेबल ऑर्गेनिज्म का पता लगा सकते हैं. अगर न्यूट्रिएंट अगर मिला है तो प्रोबेबल ऑर्गेनिज्म सूडोमोनास एरुजिनोसा हो सकता है. ब्लड अगर मिला तो स्टेफिलोकोकस और स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस स्पीशीज हो सकती है. एंड इफ वी गेट मैकोंकीज अगर, देन वी कैन गेस कि हमें लैक्टोज फर्मेंटर या नॉन लैक्टोज फर्मेंटर स्पीशीज मिली है, डिपेंडिंग कि कॉलोनीज कैसी है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द मेन पार्ट. क्वेश्चन: हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई सूडोमोनास एरुजिनोसा. First, cultural characteristics. For Pseudomonas aeruginosa, nutrient agar is commonly given. Smooth, large, translucent, low convex 2 to 4 mm in diameter with sweetish aromatic odor. Characteristic feature is pigment production. Bacterial growth with green diffusible pigment or nutrient agar is suggestive of Pseudomonas species. In liquid medium like peptone water, green pigment is produced along with formation of surface pellicle that shows its aerobic nature. On gram staining, they are gram-negative non-sporing bacilli. Hanging top experiment से पता चलता है कि वो actively motile होते हैं. Biochemical test for identification. Pseudomonas are oxidase positive. Chemical name of oxidase reagent is 1% tetramethyl paraphenyl diamine dihydrochloride. Question: name some oxidase positive bacteria. Answer: Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Vibrio cholera and Neisseria species. Question: name some important infections caused by Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Answer: nosocomial infections, urinary tract infection following catheterization, wound and burn infection, acute purulent meningitis following lumbar puncture. Next, how to identify Staphylococcus aureus. Cultural characteristics. These are given on blood agar. Staphylococcus have circular, smooth, convex, opaque, easily emulsifiable 2 to 4 mm in diameter producing golden yellow pigment colonies. Characteristic feature is that it shows beta hemolysis on blood agar. It shows uniform turbidity when grown on peptone water. Coming on gram staining, these are gram-positive cocci arranged in grape-like clusters. Biochemical test for confirmation. Staphylococcus are catalase positive, OF test fermentive, coagulase test positive and mannitol test positive. Question: name one test which differentiates genus Staphylococcus from genus Streptococcus. Answer: catalase test is positive in Staphylococcus but negative in Streptococcus. Question: what is the principle of catalase test? Answer: certain bacteria have an enzyme catalase which acts on hydrogen peroxide to release oxygen. Next question: what test will you perform to confirm the strain as Staphylococcus aureus? Answer: coagulase test. How many types of coagulase test are there? Answer: 2. Slide coagulase test and tube coagulase test. Question: list the diseases produced by Staphylococcus aureus. Answer: cutaneous infections, deep infections, food poisoning, nosocomial infections and toxic shock syndrome. In cutaneous infections, we have pustules, boils, carbuncles, abscesses, impetigos. In deep infections, osteomyelitis, tonsillitis, pharyngitis, endocarditis, meningitis. Next question. How to identify Streptococcus pyogenes? Answer. Cultural characteristics. Streptococcus species are commonly shown on blood agar. Colonies are small, 0.5 to 1 mm in diameter, pinpoint in contrast to pinhead size of Staphylococcus aureus. Circular, semi-transparent, low convex with a wide zone of beta hemolysis. They show granular turbidity with a powdery deposit when grown in glucose broth. On gram staining, cocci are spherical, gram-positive and are arranged in chains. On hanging drop experiment, we can conclude they are non-motile cocci in chains. Biochemical tests for confirmation. Streptococcus are catalase test negative. Differentiation at species level includes Streptococcus pyogenes group A are sensitive to bacitracin. Group B Streptococcus shows positive CAMP reaction. Group D Streptococcus shows positive heat-resistant test. Next, name one test which differentiates Streptococcus from genus Staphylococcus. Answer. Catalase test is negative in Streptococcus but positive in Staphylococcus. Question. Name the toxins and enzymes produced by Streptococcus pyogenes. Answer. Toxins include hemolysin, streptolysin O, streptolysin S and pyrogenic exotoxin. Enzymes are streptokinase, deoxyribonuclease, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotidase and hyaluronidase. Question. Name the infections produced by Streptococcus pyogenes. Answer. Respiratory infections like sore throat, scarlet fever, skin infections like infections of wounds, burns and skin lesions, erysipelas, impetigo. Puerperal sepsis, deep infections like bone and joint infections, septicemia and abscess in internal organs. Question. What are the diseases caused by viridans streptococci? Answer. Dental caries and subacute bacterial endocarditis. Question. How to identify Proteus species? Answer. Cultural characteristics. Proteus species is commonly shown on blood agar. Characteristic feature is swarming on blood agar and a characteristic fishy or seminal odor. In peptone water, growth is visible as uniform turbidity with slight powdery deposit and an ammoniacal odor. On gram staining, they are gram-negative bacilli. On hanging drop experiment, we can conclude Proteus is actively motile. Now, biochemical tests for confirmation. Proteus is PPA test positive, that is phenyl pyruvic acid test positive. Urease test positive, glucose A by G. H2S is positive in both Proteus vulgaris and Proteus mirabilis. Indole test positive in Proteus vulgaris. Ornithine decarboxylase test positive in Proteus mirabilis. Question. Name few urease positive bacteria. Answer. Proteus species and Klebsiella species. Question. What are the diseases caused by Proteus species? Answer. Urinary tract infection, pyogenic lesions, infection of the ear, respiratory tract infection and nosocomial infections. Next, how to identify E. coli. Cultural characteristics. E. coli colonies are shown commonly on McConkey's agar. Colonies are pink due to lactose fermentation. Circular, smooth with entire margin and non-mucoid. In peptone water, growth is seen as uniform turbidity. On gram staining, E. coli is gram-negative bacillus, long and thin. On hanging drop experiment, we can conclude E. coli is a motile bacillus. Biochemical test for confirmation. E. coli is IMVIC, positive, positive, negative, negative. I. indole test positive, M. methyl red test positive, VI. Voges prosecute test negative and C. citrate test negative. glucose A by G, lactose test positive and mannitol positive. Question. Name the indicator used in McConkey's agar. Answer. Neutral red. Question. Name the toxins produced by E. coli. Answer. Enterotoxins, heat labile toxins, heat stable toxin, hemolysin and verocytotoxin. Question. Name the diseases caused by E. coli. Answer. The diseases caused by E. coli are as follows: urinary tract infection, diarrhea, pyogenic infections and septicemia. Question. List different groups of E. coli causing diarrheal diseases. Answer. Enteropathogenic E. coli EPEC, Enterotoxigenic E. coli ETEC, Enteroinvasive E. coli EIEC, Enterohemorrhagic E. coli EHEC, Enteroaggregative E. coli, that is EAEC. Question. How to identify Klebsiella species? Cultural characteristics. Klebsiella species are commonly shown on McConkey's agar. Colonies are pink to red in color due to lactose fermentation, large and mucoid. They show uniform turbidity when grown in peptone water. On gram staining, they are gram-negative bacilli, short and plump. Hanging drop, they are non-motile bacilli. Biochemical tests for confirmation, they are indole test negative, methyl red test negative, Voges prosecute test positive, citrate test positive, urease test positive, glucose A by G, lactose test positive and mannitol test positive. Question. Why colonies of Klebsiella species are mucoid? Answer. Mucoid colonies are due to presence of slime layer produced by the bacteria. Question. Name the diseases caused by Klebsiella pneumoniae. Answer. Bronchopneumonia, urinary tract infections, nosocomial infections, wound infections, septicemia and meningitis. Question. How to identify Salmonella species? Cultural characteristics. Salmonella are commonly shown on McConkey's agar. Colonies are 2 to 3 mm in diameter, circular, translucent, smooth, low convex, colorless due to non-lactose fermentation. They show uniform turbidity when grown in peptone water. On gram staining, it is gram-negative bacilli. On hanging drop, Salmonella are motile bacilli. Biochemical test for confirmation. Glucose test. S-typhi shows acid production, whereas S-paratyphi A, B and C shows acid plus gas production. The same is for mannitol test. Coming to citrate test, S-paratyphi B and C are citrate positive, whereas S-typhi and S-paratyphi A are citrate negative. H2S production. S-typhi, S-paratyphi B and C shows positive H2S production test, whereas S-paratyphi A don't show H2S production. Question. Name different antigens of Salmonella typhi. 1. Flagellar antigen H, somatic antigen O and surface antigen VI. Question. Name the Salmonella causing enteric fever. Answer. Salmonella typhi, Salmonella paratyphi A, B and C. Question. Name the diseases other than enteric fever caused by Salmonella. Answer. Septicemia and gastroenteritis. Question. Name the specimens used for culture in laboratory diagnosis of enteric fever. Answer. Blood, feces and urine. Question. What is Vidal test? Vidal test is an agglutination test for detection of agglutinins H and O in patients with enteric fever. Question. Name the Salmonella causing gastroenteritis. Answer. Salmonella typhimurium and Salmonella enteritidis. Question. How to identify Shigella? Cultural characteristic. Shigella is commonly shown on McConkey's agar. It is non-lactose fermenter. Colonies are 2 mm in diameter, circular, translucent, smooth, convex, and colorless, that is non-lactose fermenter, except in case of Shigella sonai, which forms pink colonies due to late lactose fermentation. It shows uniform turbidity when grown in peptone water. On gram staining, Shigella is gram-negative short bacilli about 1 to 3 micrometer into 0.5 micrometer. On hanging drop, they are non-motile bacilli. Some biochemical tests for confirmation. There are 4 species of Shigella: Shigella dysentery, Shigella flexneri, Shigella boydii and Shigella sonai. All are glucose fermenters with acid production. Except Shigella dysentery, flexneri, boydii and sonai are mannitol fermenter with acid production. Only Shigella sonai shows sucrose fermentation and ornithine decarboxylase test positive. Classify Shigella species. Shigella are divided into 4 subgroups A, B, C and D based on combination of biochemical and serological specificity. Subgroup A is mannitol negative and other subgroups, that is B, C and D, are mannitol positive. Question: name the disease caused by Shigella species. Answer: bacillary dysentery. Question: which Shigella species causes the most severe form of dysentery? Answer: Shigella dysentery type 1. Question: which Shigella species causes the mildest form of the disease? Answer: Shigella sonai. Question: what is the mode of infection in bacillary dysentery? Answer: bacillary dysentery occurs by food or drink contaminated with feces of cases or carriers. आज खुश तो बहुत होगे तुम. After all, we have completed such an important topic. भाई मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया बनाकर. आपको कैसी लगी मेरी मेहनत? ये कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. और अब आपकी बारी. Go to comment box, solve the quiz as a part of revision, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching D for Dentistry.